leather bags. There's more cloth. Just a small bag. Let me know.
Tried.
No.
Okay.
She's trying to sneak
Hey,
out.
good.
Trying to sneak out. Trying to get out.
Pup training. Dexter's a good dog. He doesn't need it. He does. He totally needs it. Good. Oh. It's a good doggy. Did you see the dog? He's so well-minded. You probably didn't even notice him. How have we never... What the heck, dude? I'm so confused. Like, there's so many people that know about this.
Choconanos? Oh my god.
No. Bonbons.
They're,
Sure, yeah. You said steak?
Yep.
Awesome, thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers. I hope it's at room temperature, or like the correct temperature.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
It's really good.
I don't know where it went. That's fair. Dude, look.
They're good.
Meats. Kombucha.
I'm looking at Rice Meat Market too.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, I can get my arugula and stuff here.
10 minutes, 10
What's that mean? Oh. Massage. Smoothies are over here. Interesting. Ah. Thank you. It is like a mini Whole Foods in here. Oh well, you need to come here. Look, you got all your probiotics.
Oh yeah! Oh my god!
Get your shit back in order, girl. You got, wait, hang on, GLP-1, hang on. GLP-1.
Probiotic enhanced 1 million. Huh. Interesting. Apple cider vinegar. Finthin. That's just called Finthin.
And then,
I love that you put.
you don't have one to wear, but if you would have taken better care of it. Right. Thyroidine.
Lustrous hair. I mean, it probably wouldn't hurt to take this.
Right, that's fair.
I'll look into it.
When there's not a farmer's market. Watch your stuff.
Yeah, oh my goodness, yes.